Hello everyone, thanks for clicking. I'm Official Keem Reacts. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So at this point, I'll be checking out ANDROMEDA by LELEK. So that being said, let's see what's up. Let's see what go on. Peace.
Dok pališ svijeću, pitaj svoju baku zašto je kćeri rađala u strahu, zašto su mnogi odabrali groblje, nisu naše majke iznjedrile roblje. Mnoge su suze potekle ko rijeka, zašto se piše povijest iz početka, sinovi naši nisu podanici, da nas noću bude iz koljevke krici. Uzmi me sebi, kraljice zemljo, tvoja je duša, njima sam tijelo, vodi me do zvijezda, porušenih gnjezda, tamo gdje uz krike isprate vojnike, vodi me do zvijezda, daleko od pogleda. Andromeda.
They are remarkable, you know. They are remarkable. Very great delivery. Perfection. Perfection. You know, every woman on that stage are doing greatly. I love the fact that they came out and they perform such great display. You have to just stay there and marveled. Very marvelous by these women. And I do love the voices of each individual. They perfectly synchronized. Trust me, and they are performing such great performance. I can tell that each person who is standing on that stage practiced a lot. And I do like the fact that the performance came out perfectly. Very well done. Let's continue.
Urezane ožiljke do kosti, ni jedna majka neće vam oprostit. Na stolu srama zlato sa džerdana, dok peru ruke krvlju naših rana. Izdajice, 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 izdajice. Uzmi me sebi, kraljice zemljo, tvoja je duša, njima sam tijelo, vodi me do zvijezda, porušenih gnjezda, tamo gdje uz krike isprate vojnike, vodi me do zvijezda, daleko od pogleda. Andromeda, vodi me do zvijezda, porušenih gnjezda, tamo gdje uz krike isprate vojnike, vodi me do zvijezda, daleko od pogleda. Andromeda. Andromeda. Andromeda.
Remarkable, ladies. Remarkable. Remarkable. So, what they have done, it was pure talent. No audition, nothing like that. No studio time, nothing like that. It is pure talent. And to see each person came on that stage, did what they're supposed to do, it is very refreshing to watch. And I do like the fact that they can sing really good as well. You know, remarkable voice. And if they couldn't be the person who can sing, then they wouldn't reach so far. People wouldn't be voting for them. So what they're doing, it's very well done. And as a Jamaican, I do love the fact that they came out and they dominated. Right, the stage was being utilized, and everyone is being active, and the performance was top notch. Everyone was enjoying themselves or in the audiences. So it was good, really good performance. So my people, if you guys enjoyed my reaction, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, share this to a friend, telling him or about me, the Jamaican reactor. I'll see you all around.